Uh, I'm emerging. Alright, so like, my voice is kind of like gradually changing. And so like, the whole point of this video is to, oh hi Doug. Well, the whole point of this video is to, like, show you guys the new, my reaction to the new update because I haven't played Gorilla Tag in a really long time. That's why I haven't been posting videos with my voice lately, because I'm changing. So, we got book fair changing in 14 hours, and like, there's axolotls. Woohoo. Okay, so, Cody's mom from SML. Anyways, there's this mohawk, this thing. Hold on, let me turn this on. Yo, this looks sick.
Anything but a job.
Jesus.
You need a dial occupation?
10 more minutes without a
job.
No!
Tisha?
Come on. Hey everyone! Jump! Just
You got to job!
Friend.
Bro, that sounds like my brother.
Friend, fizzle.
Anyways,
Fizzle.
yeah, that's, whoa, it's changed. It's a,
Join UA.
so that's about it for this video.
Join the code TYUA.
Shut up! Okay, so anyways, I apologize to that kid. Yeah. This is a really weird ending, but